which I hate it. Ugh. So we'll put it on there so, you know, keep the fuss down. You feel me? So, right here.
Y'all have a mix of everything. Yeah. Good height.
Bam. Just like that.
That's what we try
In there. Push down on it. Put the lock screw in so it won't back out, and
But at the same time,
it's on there. Alrighty, so this will probably be like a part 2 here of the night of the car show, with just separate videos here because I want to keep separate. Anyway, I out here in ATX, just gonna get something to eat, late night, chilling. Grab me a little something from Velvet Taco, my favorite, you know, my usual out here at the Domain. Just chilling here. I was getting some content earlier with my other Tesla twin buddy, but yeah, you see Smoke just chilling here. He's just telling me bye-bye and let me know that he's secure and safe. He's secured the spot in the perimeter, so he should have no problem. But just gonna get something to eat right quick, and then I ain't gonna be out here too long. You know, I don't really party. Just getting ready for race week. Coming up soon when the weather's actually breaking better out here in Texas, so we about to get that on coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Can't wait for that to come, you know. So we turn right here for a second. So yeah, stay tuned. We got the racing coming. I'm just gonna walk around here, get a little sightseeing, you know, do my thing, you know, enjoy this beautiful nice breeze tonight. Give me something to eat right quick, so I'll show a couple things here, so follow with your boy. I'll be back. Boom. Beautiful night out here in Austin. Domain. If you're ever coming out to Austin, hey, some nice good places to check out if you ain't never been before, or if it's your first time. Just wait till the weather breaks. It's gonna be even better. But I had a pretty good chill day today. I was just chilling with the car people and networking, meet some good people, car people, you know, doing what we love doing. People showing me love and respect for what I got going on, you know. So I always appreciate that. You know, everything for everybody, but you still show respect. Give your boy props. Okay. Famous artwork, I would say. But come on, Ray-Ban Miller, come on, let's do something. I'm trying to work with him, make something happen. Cause you know it, I'm ready. I stay ready. I got my Ray-Bans in my pocket right now, matter of fact. And the reason I ain't got them on because I'm holding this camera, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, see, they shut certain parts of this off down here, I guess, for safety and things. But these are just like the club part of the Domain, where they get it cracking at. Got the rooftop up there as well. Nice good vibes up there. I haven't been there this year so far yet though. But I'm gonna try to talk over that music, you know. I don't get no copyright. Gotta respect it, you know what I'm saying? So matter of fact, I might mute it here for a second. Just let the camera record. So that's my favorite spot right there. Usually when I'm not racing, I'm in town. And on weekend I want to go out, you know, my spot. Velvet Taco. Yes. So go ahead and get my eat on right quick, and I'll be back. Then you got Kung Fu down there, pretty cool, chill. You want to do arcade, video game style type things, you know. Cool thing to do out here, ATX. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food. My order should be ready. Actually 39, so it should be ready. I'm gonna get my eat on right quick because your boy hungry. I've been going all day today, ain't ate nothing today, so bear with me. So yeah. I'll be back. Check me out. Peace. Alright, I'm just leaving out. I got my red velvet cake to go. I couldn't eat that. But hopefully I can get by with this audio. Got the dunk in the house here. Thing clean. Yeah. Got the dunk in the house. Got the donkey and domain doing their thing out here. Convertible joints. But yeah, I'm just not leaving. Walk around here for a minute before I get in smoke, get my butt to the house. I would love to go upstairs and chill, but you know, I ain't dressed right for that. You know, I ain't in that mood right now though. We got the electric BMW joint. Yeah. Hopefully I can save this live. Oh, Kung Fu. Hey, I ain't been here in a minute now. Kung Fu must be shut down. I gotta ask my people about that. Kung Fu ain't jumping. Hey, like I say, I ain't been out. I ain't been out in a minute, especially this year. So I gotta ask my guy what's going on with Kung Fu Salon right here in the domain. Yeah. Man, if I go down here, I know I'm gonna go to the candy store. I really don't need to be up in there, but I can't help it. Every time I come up here, I can re-up on my sour candy for my late night editing mode. Sunflower seeds and sour candy helps me get my editing going for late night, early mornings, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I'm about to bleep the music out because of copyright. Yeah. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm about to jump and smoke. We're gonna head out, but we're gonna bust a scene here with the Insta 360 going right through the spot. but I ain't gonna get out though. I'm just gonna ride through the spot. I ain't getting out. No VIP parking or none of that, or valet parking or whatever. I'm just chilling. I'm not going clubbing or anything tonight. But Alright, so just made it home safe and sound. Just plugged up smoke. It's a little after 1 o'clock. We plug him up in there. Yeah, like 30%. So we just gonna plug him up. But made it home safe and sound. And you know how it is, you know. Hey, that front plate gotta go. Trying to take it off. Remove that set screw there. Unlock it. Boom. Just like that. Take that off. Back at home. But appreciate you going with me on the journey there. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. It's your boy EV Smoke. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.